I've always been interested in music, and I actually started playing piano when I was 5. And one of the first things I did when I visited Pitt, besides going to the Cathedral of Learning, was actually come here. I was really curious about it. And then I saw that the music department offered organ lessons at Hines Chapel, and that was just a dream come true, and I jumped on it. If you play in here, you could just hear the sound just reverberating all around, and either I imagine that I'm playing in the time of Bach, and while I'm playing Bach, and suddenly he's gonna walk in, and he's gonna give me feedback on how I'm playing. And every single time it's different, but that's why I love music. You could be transported to a different place, and when I'm in here, I don't feel like I'm in Pittsburgh. Sometimes you need a break from school and from everything around you, and this is the place that I go when I need that. I was in Rome for 6 weeks this summer working at an internship at the Paideia Institute for Classics. And basically what I was doing was they have a program where they teach literacy through Latin to younger students, and they needed to update their textbook, so we were helping update their Latin textbook as well as create an ancient Greek textbook. And it was a dream come true, honestly. Our office was a couple of blocks away from the Vatican. You could either take the train back to our apartment, which is in another section of Rome, walk through the Vatican, along the Tiber River. You would walk past the Colosseum, the Wedding Cake Monument. It was insane. And I think as a student, that helped me grow and almost realize that this was real versus something that I sit in a classroom or I daydream about. That this is a real place, this is a real thing that I can do, and that was just a dream because it was me realizing my dreams.